I've spent the last couple of days reporting on the flooding in Collier County, and this street in particular, just 2 blocks from 5th Avenue South, was one of the hardest hit areas I saw. I'm Fox 4's Naples community correspondent Mahmoud Bennett, and a business owner tells me that recent road repairs here have made things even worse.
It never flooded that bad, ever. No, the water was 2.5 feet deep over here.
This is what Robert Weisenborn saw outside his motor business this week. Inches of water pooled right out front, flowing up into his parking lot as cars drove by. His family has owned Armature Works for over 60 years, and he says this type of flooding from a non-hurricane event is not normal.
I've been looking out that window for probably the better part of 45 years.
He says since new buildings went up in the area a few years ago, there have been fewer fields to absorb the water, so more of it ends up on the street. And last October, the Florida Department of Transportation came out to perform a sudden stormwater repair, shutting the road down for several days. Weisenborn showed me pictures and tells me that's when drainage became a serious problem.
Something is definitely wrong. It's not draining like it used to. It was never great, but it was never this bad.
I contacted the Florida Department of Transportation about the pipe they repaired here last October. In a statement, they said, quote, "The repair itself should have made the water recede from the road surface faster, not slower." And in response to the recent flooding, they added, quote, "Unfortunately, some of the worst rainfall coincided with high tide, which gave the water nowhere to exit." Reporting in Naples, Mahmoud Bennett, Fox 4.